Always meant to be yours. Always meant to be yours.
Yeah. You guys see that?
Always meant to be. It's always meant to be yours.
Yeah. Remember that when it rains, it pours? And I mean, literally, it has been a whirlwind in our home. But you know what? I'm keeping a positive attitude because I'm still blessed. Everything is just horrible right now. And I do mean horrible. And guys, it's about to storm, which I'm not too happy about, but yeah, nothing we can do about it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Teresa here, and I am really going through it, guys. I was going through a little bit of a depression these last 2 weeks. My grandmother passed away and we buried her, and that was very tough for me. So that's why I didn't pick up the camera. Also, there were things going around the house that was falling apart, as well as my health. I really wasn't feeling that great. I wasn't in the best of moods. I had to go to the emergency room, so I literally was down for about a week. I was in so much pain, having tummy pains, but I got through it with the grace of God. And you guys, it's not easy. It's not easy at all when you're battling with depression as well. It was very tough these last few weeks, and I felt so alone. And then I had to realize that I'm not alone. Even when I feel alone, I still have God with me. So, with the result of, feeling sick, feeling out of it, with everything that's going on in my life, I literally let go of everything. I didn't clean for a week. I didn't make up my bed. I literally just stayed in one place for a week, and this is the result of it. And I'm finally feeling a little better, and I decided to get up, pick up my camera, and just start vlogging. Guys, I didn't even know where to start, but I knew I had to get out of the slump that I was in, because like I said, I really wasn't feeling good for about a week. And then before that, you guys, I buried my grandmother, and in the midst of all of that, there was a huge leak in the house. So finally, as this video is coming out, that's fixed. It wasn't nothing major. Come to find out, it was something that should have been avoided. But it's all cleaned out, cleared out. There's no mold or anything. Thank goodness for that. But guys, we have to get our carpet replaced. That's another expense. On top of the expenses that we were going to do with the house, we're still in the process of demoing the house as well. And guys, it's just one beating after another. But I know that God won't put much more on me than I can bear. So I would rather take these beatings over anything worse than what life is. I do have a silver lining within all of this, guys. I passed my state board, guys. I'm so excited. I passed my state board. I am officially a licensed nail tech. You guys, I can teach. I can open up my own salon. There's so many things that I can do, and I'm so excited to see what God has to offer me in this next journey. But right now, guys, I hope you are having a great day. I hope your day is going better than mine. And I send my heart out to you, my love out to you, my prayers are out to you. But I also hope that my video gives you some type of empathy, some type of peace, and some type of love through this video. I'm going to be quiet now and let you guys enjoy this video.
Everyone needs a shoulder to cry on. Everyone needs a helping hand. Everyone needs someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light, let Him lead the way. Lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Everyone needs somebody to lean on. Everyone needs someone who cares. If we come together as one, help each other get stronger, we are bound in the name of the Lord. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light, let Him lead the way. Lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. So let's come together. Yeah, let's come together.